Hello everyone. Hey, how's it going guys? So it's your boy Yashvia Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel guys, please kill murder and smash that little subscribe button and also ring the bell notification. Okay, so without any further ado, in this video I'm gonna show you how we're gonna update our BIOS, okay, for our particular motherboard. And as you can see right now, alright, I have my motherboard is Prime, Asus Prime B450 MA2. Alright, and my current BIOS version is 3211. Okay, 3211. Alright, so you can see. And now all I'm gonna do in here, I'm gonna search for Asus Asus Prime B400 MA2. Alright, so I'm gonna go to asus.com. okay, so this is featured. This is the motherboard that I have. Alright, and on the top where I can see overview, tech specs, review and support. Alright, so I'm gonna click on support and I'm gonna click on drivers and utility. Then I'm gonna click on BIOS and firmware. Okay, I'm on Windows 11. Okay, so as you can see, this is the latest version of the BIOS, alright, 3802, and apparently it is an update for AMD MCAT AEGESA, okay, Edge SAR version 2, and it fixed the TPM issues causes random stuttering. So I'm gonna click download button. Alright, so once it downloaded, I'm gonna open this. Alright, then I'm gonna plug in a USB drive. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna extract these files onto my desktop, and I'm just gonna double click on this BIOS renamer. Alright, here it says the file has been renamed. As you can see, it has been renamed to PB450 MA2. Alright, if we can see this .cap. Okay, so it is good. Alright, we need only this. We don't need the BIOS renamer. So did that, and once you plugged it in, alright, so I'm just gonna make sure that right here I'm gonna right click format and make sure that it is on FAT32 or FAT16. Okay, FAT32, which is default. Alright, so make sure quick format is ticked. Click start. And once you see this formatted completed, close this, double click this, and just drag and drop this into your root. Okay, it must be onto your root of your USB drive. Alright, now what we need to do is we gotta click this and restart our PC and constantly press on depending on your motherboard manufacturer. As for you, it might be the escape button, it might be the F2 button or F8.